that online classes. Myself, Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, I hope you all enjoying our online learning. So, in previous lecture, we had seen the two types letter, formal letter and informal letter. So, in previous lecture, we see how to write informal letter and we also see a format of informal letter. But in today's lecture, we are going to learn a format of formal letter. So, formal letters are written to people in authority or officials to whom you have to convey serious or important matters. Means formal letters are also called officials letter. So now we see how to write, means how to write formal letter or format of formal letter. Okay student? So student, see on whiteboard. This is a letter which you asking a permission to your class teacher to leave early. So first, at the corner of, suppose this is your notebook page, and at the corner of your right hand side, you have write here your address. Means now you present in a school. It means you write a letter from school. So you are here you write address of your school. Means Young Trust High School. After that you have write here comma. Then Lal Road. After that you put here a comma. Then your district name and pin code. After that you put here a full stop. And then you write here a date. So date like this. You write date like this. 12 August 2020. Okay. So you have write like this your address. Then your left hand side you write a address or post or designation of you have write a letter to whom you have write letter. So you have write letter to your class teacher. So you write like this, to the class teacher. After that you write here comma. Then standard, which your standard, which standard you are now teach. So you have write here your standard. Then Young Trust High, your school address is your school name, Young Trust High School. Then comma, and then your district name. After that you put here a full stop. Then you have write a next slide subject. So subject is will write a very few words or few lines. So subject is request for permission to leave early. Then full stop. And then you your means your dear madam. Then after that you write here comma. Then main part, or it's called also a letter body. So main part is write in very brief, mean 2 or 4 lines. For example here, I have not been feeling well since morning. Mummy will taking me to the doctor this evening. So we have an appointment at 6 p.m. Could I please leave before the last 2 periods? Means in last 2 periods I have leave. So then you ask to your class teacher. Then you write here thanking you. And after that you have write here comma. Then complimentary. You are obedient student. After that you have write here comma. Then your name. For example XYZ is your name. Then your standard.